In this video, we will showcase the control point-based coordinate transformation and optimization in Project Processing module. Control point-based coordinate transformation starts with strategically placing control markers during field scans. In Office processing, this tool can transform the point cloud from relative to absolute coordinates. By leveraging control point constraints, this tool simultaneously enhances SLAM mapping accuracy and delivers higher precision point cloud data. First, in project processing, select the raw data requiring optimization. When configuring GCPs, ground control points, for coordinate transformation, click File Selection to import field-acquired control points. Click the Download button on the right to get the control point template file. After downloading, edit the control point details based on your actual field survey data. Note, the control point file must follow this format: point name easting northing elevation. Control point names must use alphanumeric characters and should match exactly with the point IDs recorded in the LixelStudio app. Click the Edit button next to the control point file to launch the pop-up editing window. The software will display the control point's graphic representation with corresponding coordinates. The left panel shows control points in the scan coordinate system, while the right panel displays them in the absolute coordinate system. The software automatically pairs control points through name-based exact matching. If control point pairings are inconsistent, adjust the corresponding entries in the left-hand name column of the control point panel. Activate control point pairs by checking their boxes to participate in coordinate transformation and refinement. Important: you must select a minimum of 3 pairs. The software will reject transformation with fewer control points. Selected point pairs serve as transformation points for coordinate transformation and refinement, while unselected but matched pairs function as checkpoints. The GCP report will display accuracy metrics for both point types. Click the check button to validate control point correspondences and verify spatial consistency across all relative positional relationships. Even if you skip manual verification and click OK directly, the software will automatically validate control point correspondences. Note, coordinate transformation will only activate when all spatial relationships pass validation checks. With control points properly configured, proceed to adjust additional parameters before clicking Start to launch the project processing workflow.